Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A former factory with star-shaped vaults and Moroccan shutters. Near Lecce, in Puglia, the transformation of an old factory with very high ceilings now welcomes the new generation of the family. This is how, in addition to the very high ceilings, the star-shaped vaults and the skylight, another bespoke idea was born: the Moroccan shutters. These openwork wooden French doors create unique plays of light and shadow, promote natural ventilation and preserve privacy without plunging the rooms into darkness.